In this video today, we will see how to make a Facebook post shareable after it is already posted in your timeline. For that one, I will open Facebook application. I will tap on my profile icon and go to my timeline. Now this is a post which I had already posted, and if I want to make this post shareable by anyone after I have posted, then what I can do, I can tap on this three dotted icons here, go to edit post, and here at this time the option is friends. That means only my Facebook friends will be able to share this post. But if I want anyone who can see this post to share, then I will tap on this option here and go public and done. Now this post, whoever sees can share it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.